plus 90, 180. Okay. Now CAB, you know. Now CA is perpendicular to 80. Why? Diameter and radius. Diameter is always perpendicular to the radius. Therefore, 40 plus BAT equals to 90. 40, this OAB plus BAT equals to 90. Therefore, BAT equals to what? 90 minus 40, that is 50. Quite easy one. Okay. Basically, it's a proof of alternate segment theorem. So, it means we could have directly taken it by alternate segment theorem. BAT equals to 50. But we wanted to prove this. Okay. So that you understand what this segment theorem, alternate segment theorem is. Okay. Next, how many tangents can a circle have? Now remember one basic for all. A circle can have infinite number of radii, diameters, tangents, chords and segments. So let any name come, you have to write it infinite, right? Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. These are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.